So, I wanted to talk a little bit about one of my favorite welders. I have a few. This is the one I'm selling. It's a Lotos, what is it? TIG 160, I believe. Meaning, yeah, 160D. Meaning, at 240 volts, it'll go up to a total of 160. I'm running it through 120, so that gets it up to 110, 107, 110. I would not sell this welder were it not for the fact that I just need to clear up some space, because I absolutely love this welder. This is the first TIG welder that I got. I'm only selling it because I don't use it anymore, not because it's no longer awesome. It still is. I have a prime weld AC/DC. I moved up in that way, and so I just thought I would pass on this goodness to someone else. It's an awesome welder. You can see everything that comes with it. Comes with the stick gear here. But I have not used it for stick. That's just not my wheelhouse or bailiwick. I just love TIG. Also comes, of course, with your negative lead, with your ground lead rather. This wonderful foot pedal. Sorry. Oh, I almost forgot. And then a torch. Your torch. It's wonderfully sturdy. It's going to last you a long time. Okay, so as you can see, I already spot welded these two together. They're both the same as this, just some 1/8 inch mild steel. And I'm just gonna fill in that groove there. Okay. Okay. That's pretty good. Okay, so I did that, I don't know, that medium-sized piece of metal for all you thick metal heads out there, because everybody always wants to see how thick a welder can weld. But as far as I'm concerned, one of the best measures of the quality of a TIG welder is not how thick it can weld, but how thin it can weld. Much more difficult, generally speaking, to weld thinner metals. And that's generally one of the reasons why you buy a TIG welder. So I've taken my amps down quite a bit. I'm going to hit the foot pedal here. 31 amps. So I think that's fine. I'm going to start by first spot welding it. Take that down just a bit. There you go. Okay. And let the games begin. Go. Going to fill in what has become a gap of, I don't know, probably 1/32 of an inch. So let's just do this. Control my heat. It's getting awfully hot. I'm coming towards the edge. All right, see what the penetration is like. Penetration is wonderful. Wow, full penetration all the way through except for the blowout part. But I feel I rectified myself pretty doggone well with that weld right there. That is really nice looking. Okay, so this is what the Lotos 160 TIG 160D does. It's a wonderful TIG welder. It was my first. Again, is one of my sentimental favorites. Don't want to get rid of it, but I have to in order to make space, which means you get to benefit. So give me a call and take it off my hands. Bye-bye.